Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kajingi Kynthei jonga khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Mihngi lengba ka tanat trekam jonga Social and Economic Development Association henin kasngi khat sautrek unailor arajar khat pra kala penlong da Jingïalap ba ban yalap Pyrshah kajing sha Thombor bat kajing khayi yaki Kynthei Khynnah ni ka ba ong hak tie nongway exploitation and violence against women as well as trafficking and child abuse. Hagani Jingïalap ba la shimenta da Santali ki school ki ba hap hapo ka Light Mkra Presbytery. Hadin Jingïalap ba la penlong ya Jingïalang hapo hall jong Balang Presbyterian Light Mkra hagaba ka DSP Shillong City ikong CW Lingdo ilalong Kongsan but yakani Jingïalang la penyai da ka chairperson jong Social and Economic Development Association ikong PM Dakar.
Thombor ni violence against women and children, it has different forms. Kala pande ka rape tamo kata kajing Thombor kajing batbor in Kynthei Khynnah. Kala pande ka sexual harassment and molestation. Kala pande online harassment. Kala pande offline would like through physical contact. Online tamo kade through Facebook or through WhatsApp. Kala pande ka sexual abuse. Kala pande ka domestic violence try to tip Khynnah tamo Khynnah ifun domestic violence kalamba kajing teng mana laya shong chi shilo teng chi sem kadal kajing Thombor kajing lebor Kynthei le ikul ne da ulok ye kalok shubom shusho katang bala de kalok shubom shusho bor katang khot ba kade ka domestic violence tenangta kadal ka female infanticide tama society jing asham bagran luna le female infanticide ba musin bagi kindo ne khinkori ikun Kynthei tama kanagi female infanticide asham ba society ba kwa function ke ba kwa function ram ne ikun Kynthei that what ni society jing kadang luna however kadang jia hin taru and then kadang ka prostitution and trafficking. Prostitution, and so I will come further to prostitution and trafficking. The Shupatai different forms of violence against women and children. Then the way child marriage, then cohabitation, kajing mishong klung Khynnah, but the way Khynnah kapat ta leshong, but the table strang the way the cohabitation. The officer, the department, machine kabui Khynnah Kynthei tang, but that is also another way the pang bagisham Khynnah Kynthei sama jingdisha exploit. Then the way but they get advertisement. Nantan ni ikut kubon kamtam ni tawar bun Khynnah laga perbuatan Khynnah like dukam dujam. Ibun dia kini advertisement di job offers bio newspaper. Teng kamtam Khynnah Kynthei ni ibagani ispam education ispa. Teng Khynnah apply nanti kajing produk kamu bapli guys apply itu. Claim the final key criteria, key condition jom kita ke nature of work, hamtam ke nature of work manusia pada keperluan teng isu ai to beautician. Henry ke details pada jom beautician pada saya, letak di threading ne, tang for the facial ne, mengikut pedicure and so on and so forth. Henry kita bangun Khynnah lah join gitu dia, ini kita bijam. Hadir balik berpilih Khynnah. Makum kita kerja training mostly kim jual di bawah Shillong tentang kita di bawah South, maybe bawah Kerala, maybe bawah Chennai, maybe bawah Calcutta, maybe Mumbai. Dan nak tu pada ni lah pada Khynnah pada la positif saya export. Bermanang ni di orang beautician, tapi Khynnah kita maybe just for the maybe for hair, mungkin jepang di snow, jepang di beauty tips, and so on and so forth. Dia la positif pada Khynnah pada la penerbitan in spa. Along in massaging, begitu pada ini marwah, jika itu pada hab lagi pada kriteria itu, di nature of work itu pada hab lagi pada jam beautician belum specifically pada bandung baik, kuno begini nak itu kena tips pangga, long kita tips mau kuno ban manicure, pedicure, hair color, and so on so forth, but not with regard to spa and massaging thing, because each of us so. The kamtam le the eye training ini mostly medical training bagi eye kita batang bagi paban misuse dan exploit ini Khynnah maklah tip bagi Khynnah come from a very low economic condition, from a very low background. Then kita bagi Khynnah they are not very much aware. Kung no ka nature of work kan dei hang to ta teng ini kena ba pi kena la pha iki pakin massage ki bro long customer jam di hang to and beside massaging itu customer bawan hang to ko to hapo ko center hang to teng we have to fulfill the other conditions of the long but the other conditions long no besides massaging to give a pretty kena ke berang sabla ki have go but submit themselves to some kind of kasih request kayaknya ke customer bawan hapo to spa to ka you berpikir masih because tada kimle untuk bisa cabe nang kam namar ba ladon di condition pada kimle untuk tak kum ki ba jumpa tayang di hang tu la cabe kam dan seduk kam tajam dan seduk abang tadi tapi nak thinking masih ki have submit themselves to those kind of activities bagi hina ka mo tunta ka kaman so hari lagi kan